Hello, my name is KB Manzini, and I will be making this vlog from Gull Lake Community Schools. I'm a student taking computer science and software engineering. My vlog will be covering um, sort of an introduction to the Linux command line interface commands, and I'm going to show you a little bit my engineering notebook, which I use Notion for, and I'll guide you through most of the commands, and I'll be showcasing you what some of the commands are, and later I'll go into the actual Linux virtual machine, and I'll show you how those commands work. So to start with, we're going to go into Notion. As you see here, I have extensive notes on virtual machines, but specifically I'm going to go to Linux and then command line interface. And we're just going to start with the first three commands. ls, list files and directories. And so it shows you all the files that you have in your virtual machine. cd changes the current directory. So you use cd and then you type in the path of the directory, and it takes you to a specific directory. And it also, if you just do cd by itself, it takes you to the home directory. And print working directory, it shows the full path of the current directory. And so say you use cd to go to a specific directory. If you use pwd, it shows you which directory that you're in. It prints it for you. And the last one for today will be mkdir, which is short for make directory, and it creates a new directory for you. And you use the command and then type in the name of your directory after, and then it creates a new directory named whatever you type in after the code. So now I'm going to load up my virtual machine. As you can see, I already have it open. Okay, I already have it open, so I'm going to type in my password. And I have my terminal open here. So you see here, if I use ls, it shows me all the directories that I have. I have desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, repositories, snap, templates, and videos. And next, I'm going to use the cd command. If I use cd alone, it won't do anything. But if I do, it takes me to repositories. If I do cd and then I typed in repo and then I use the tab button, and it auto-filled in repositories for me. So it took me to repositories. As you can see, I'm now in the repositories file. And if I use pwd, it tells me which file that I'm in, and it tells me how I got there. So I go from home, Manzini, repositories, tells me I'm in repositories. Now I'm still in repositories. And now if I want to get out of repositories and go home, I can just do cd, and boom, we're out of repositories. And now I'm going to use the make directory command. If I use mkdir and then I make a directory called, and then I list all my current directories, you see that I have the test directory right here. And I can do whoops, I can do this, and I'll get into the test directory. And as you can see, the mistake that I made here was I tried using the tab button after just typing in TE, and it told me, hey, you have two files that start with TE. How about you pick one? And I did. And I went to test, and I print working directory, and now you see I'm in the test directory. That's how you use those commands. So, thank you for watching this video and my introduction to these Linux commands. If you want to use these yourself, you can just search Linux Ubuntu 22 and get yourself a virtual machine and open the terminal using Control-Alt-T, and you'll have this, and you can test these out.